Hey everyone, thinking of switching from Skype to Microsoft Teams? You are not alone. In 2025, Teams has become Microsoft's go-to app for messaging, meetings, and collaboration. Here's how to make the move smooth and simple. So first of all, you have to install Microsoft Teams. Start by downloading Microsoft Teams from teams.microsoft.com or the Microsoft Store. Sign in using the Team Microsoft account you used. Same Microsoft account you used for Skype. This keeps your contact and calendar sync ready. And then Teams doesn't import Skype chats directly, but you can manually add your Skype contacts using their email or username. You can go to chat, new chat, and enter the email and send a message. They'll get a notification in Skype if they haven't switched yet. And Teams support chat with Skype users, so you can still talk to them while transitioning. And you can use Teams features like explore Teams features, scheduled meetings, channels for group conversations, file sharing with real-time co-editing in Word, Excel, and more, mobile and desktop sync across devices. You're essentially upgrading from chat to a full productivity suite. So pin Teams to your taskbar, enable desktop notification, and you are ready to collaborate smarter in 2025. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.